For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of sound mind. 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse. Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Trust that you're doing well and I hope that you're taking very good care of yourself. Whatever it is family, there is always room for ice cream, and there is no other than abelewalls. Yes, that's the Ghanaian ice cream. This ice cream right here changed our lives. It put huge smiles on our face back home as mom made lots of sales out of it and put food on our table every day. So I'm really excited to share this amazing recipe with you. I strongly believe that this is going to change a life or two out here as it did way back for us, because this will put huge smiles on your loved ones' faces, and it's also a very great business idea. Please stay tuned while we do this together because it's just so amazing. So a quick tour of our ingredients. I have here half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk powder, a quarter cup of sweetened condensed milk. Please adjust it to your taste. And I have 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk, vanilla essence. I will also be using pineapple flavoring essence. This really brings out that ice cream flavor that you had back home. Yeah, I have all my cups to shape my abelewalls and my sokodia here as well. And there is still one more secret ingredient that I will review if you keep watching. My bowl, I'll add my flour and add good amounts of water, about a cup of water, and then I'll make sure I mix it very well before I put it on fire. It's going to be made into a porridge form, and please make sure you mix it very well here before you transfer it on your gas to avoid any form of lumps. As you begin to cook it on fire, it thickens up, so do not worry to add a little bit of water to loosen it up a little bit. Make sure you stir very. Continuously for about 5 minutes, and yes, I'm about to reveal the secret ingredient is blue band margarine. This is what my mom added to her ice cream that always made it stand out to everyone else's ice cream. It makes the color beautiful, and I know a lot of people also use egg. Not everybody is permitted to have eggs in their ice cream, so this ice cream recipe is going to be for everyone. Did you just notice how beautiful and rich the color just changed to? That is the secret, family. When you're using your flour in your ice cream, please add a little bit of margarine. Mind you, not butter, but margarine, as it has lots of richness to its color, and preferably the blue band margarine. Almost so emotional about this recipe because it's bringing lots of memory back. So once everything is cooked, I cooked it for 5 minutes, and I just go ahead to put it in my mixing bowl, and I'll mix it thoroughly and add my condensed milk to it, and also make sure everything is mixed well. Yes, our ice cream is coming along very well. I go ahead and add a tablespoon of vanilla essence and a teaspoonful of the pineapple flavor essence and mix it well together.
That smells good. Yes.
So as everything is mixed well together here, I'll go ahead and prepare my evaporated milk and my milk powder. I used a needle always because that is the brand that she also used all the time, and I'll also go ahead and add a little bit of water, and I'll give it a good mix. Evaporated milk in this recipe, however, is very optional. You can use only water. I had it sitting in the fridge doing nothing. That is why I went ahead and threw it in here. Please do not hesitate to add a little bit more water if it is very thick like this, okay? It'll be fine. the perfect consistency that I will be going for. So I'll go ahead and add it to flour and condensed milk mixture. And yes, our ice cream is almost done. So excited, so good and so creamy. Look at that. With my sweetened condensed milk, I did not need to add any more sugar, but please go ahead and taste for yours. If you want more sugar, please do well to add it. Look at all that richness. Ice cream is ready and I'm about to put it in our cups and shape it into the proper form that we love to always have. Amazing recipe, so easy to make. We did not do this back home. It was normally, the vanilla one. But, when you have kids, they love things colorful. So I went ahead to buy few food coloring just to spice things a little bit up for them. Just to make them happy. You can also go ahead and introduce some fruit to it, which is also a very good idea. I shared that in my previous video. I had lots of love from that video. Thank you so much. Honestly, this bright abelewalls recipe has been long awaited. Yes, I was waiting for next summer. So it's finally here. So you go ahead and change to all the colors that you prefer. I went for the pink, the blue and the green colors. They are so amazing. Yes, all our ice creams are ready to be in the freezer right now. So I'll go ahead and wash my chewing sticks, also known as sekodia. Do you know that this is very wise for you to use in your abelewalls? Because after you finish eating your ice cream, you go ahead and remove all the plaques that has been formed on your teeth. And it's so great, as well as it also improve the sense of taste after you finish eating this abelewalls. So that is also a very key note to have here, because it's very necessary. These ice creams are going back to the freezer and it's going to stay there for overnight. And of course, we are not going to enjoy everything the next day. We cannot. Of course, it's almost like 20 pieces, so I'll go ahead and cover them with aluminium foil so that all that flavor, beautiful yummy aroma, remains in the ice cream. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow while we'll be enjoying it. Yes, this is the day after, and I'll go ahead and put a bit of water in a bowl, place this ice cream in it for about 2 minutes, just so it will be easy for me to take it out from the cup. Just watch it. It will just come out like magic after 2 minutes. And look at that family. You just want to eat them all. That is all that you want to do. And let's just cut through this and you will see how soft and how rich this ice cream is. That is why my mom's ice cream always stood out and people were always looking out for it. So I am sharing this recipe with you. If you want to start a small business, please go for abelewalls everyone loves it. Start by selling it to your dear friends and loved ones and make a little bit at a time. Trust me, family, it is very, very lucrative, okay? Because it is also very addictive, and everyone wants to buy from you every single day that you go around to make a little bit of sales, and you come back home smiling. And one thing that my mom also served abelewalls with is butter bread, and I also tried to make a replica of that bread, and it was so good. I'll share this bread recipe right here with you, but in the meantime, I also have lots of bread recipe out here. It goes well with your meat pie as well. I also have lots of meat pie recipes here, so please do well to check them out. I'll link everything down below in the description box. And look how beautiful this combo is about to be. So good. And the yummiest way ever. Thank you so much for watching, family. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe and you learned a thing or two. And if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.